Hello guys, today a very fast video, just some talking and some stuff I have to do. I have this Canonet QL17 or 1.7, I don't know, camera. This camera is perfectly working. I've not shot any, oh there's some dust in here. This is the camera I will keep for myself because it's some fungus and I can't remove it. But the camera works fine. Of course, it's not working now. Why? I don't know. Yeah, you can't press the shutter release when it's over or underexposed. Very important feature. Yeah, so what I wanted to tell you about is, okay, first I've redone all the light seals here, and there's no video from that. The only thing that I didn't do is to scrap out all the old light seal foam at the top here, and that's what I'm going to do now. And while I do that, we can talk a bit. I'll talk and you hear what I say. So what are my next projects here on this channel? So I had the idea to make some more general content, and I found this, the Filterfibel, is it in German? So there's like a lot of this thing is self-made somewhere, and it's like the kind of filter and how it works and which color and what the effects on the picture is. Polarization filter, linear, circular, some correction filters, and I think I will make like a half an hour long video which is just about all the different camera filters, how to use them, when to use them, and just to make like a video, everything you need to know about camera filters, like with not especially just for film, for digital cameras too. I have like a lot of camera filters here, and I'll just make a video that you have to watch. You can save it for later, and then you always know, okay, here's this and this with chapters, with all the chapters for each filter, for all the correction filters, lighting filters. And I think it's a nice idea to of course gain more followers here, and to produce like really good content, which is not just like tutorials on how to repair, like for general users, new users. And I have to admit that I'm not that familiar oh, my English today, familiar with all the usage of the camera filters, but after I've done the video, I will know everything. So I'm learning, you're learning, we're all happy. There's just light seal foam above here, not here. Yeah, I have a video somewhere where I did this, but okay, when you look through the camera, you can't see the dirt, so yeah. That's the plan. If you have any other ideas on general topics, like I can explain the Sunny 16 rule, but I think everybody knows that. But yeah, why not? I can try it. Something like that. I think to just make content on a lot of different topics, and then you can expand. Maybe I can make videos about digital photography sometime too. But I like my vintage old cameras here. Vintage hashtag. Yeah. The camera would work anyway, but I'm nearly finished. Sit down. Okay, don't sit down. I hate these areas here. Scrape out the film. Lights your foam there. The film lights your foam. You have to think before you talk. Something you could recommend to politicians. No, they don't. No, they do that. If they would talk before they think, they would tell the truth. Deep talks when repairing cameras. I have like one viewer from Romania here. There was an election a few days ago in Romania. I don't know the details. I just know that there was a thing in an election, which was like controversial because I think they cancelled the election before that, something like that. I think this is like the perfect travel camera. It's a bit too heavy maybe, but I'm a strong guy, so. So I'm just doing this, it's like a finished project. I don't know why I didn't do that before, when I done everything else at this camera. Yeah, but what else I wanted to talk about? Look at the back, original Canonet. So the next projects, of course, will be I make a camera tutorial on this camera after I've shot a roll of film with it. I will make a camera tutorial on this camera, on the Wichtiger TL Super. TL Super Electro? No, it's just TL Super. The pictures will arrive in probably 1 week, and a tutorial about this camera, the Minolta Highmatic autofocus. The pictures will arrive in, I think, maybe a week too. Then I have some more camera tutorials, because they tend to get regular views over a long period of time. So maybe in like 10 years, I'm thinking in decades, the videos can monetize well. Don't get me wrong, it's not just about money. It's a passion too, but money is important. Everything is expensive, so we have to look where we're. Man muss gucken, wo man bleibt. We say in Germany, you have to look where you are left. Very important German quote. So I have to really look that. I'm filming 4K, 60 frames per second. I can't go longer than 15 minutes, otherwise it's like too long to upload. Is this clean? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Now, probably what is left is this side here. I made a video about this camera, but not about the whole cleaning process. It's just like an idea for new content, which I didn't continue after that. It's really hard to get like the last pieces out here because you can't see what you're working on. But yeah. I think that worked out well. And of course, after that, I will make a tutorial about this camera too. I hope I can make like a vacation, some traveling somewhere, where I can test out this camera. If you have something to recommend where I can go to shoot some pictures, tell me. I'm based in Germany, so the one of the cheapest airports in front of my door. This is fine, fine. Yeah. Okay, everything clean. I just go over there with some alcohol, shortly, very short, just to clean this up. I need a cloth, something. Yes. Does that fit now? This seems good. So I take my cloth, my old bed sheet. A lot of hairs here. Didn't see that. Oh, there's still like a lot coming out there. And this is just a Okay, I just learned this is a pretty nice tool. It's not made for that, but it removes everything nicely here. Okay. I hope this is not dry, not yes. Get all the metal out here. Okay, this isn't perfect clean, but yeah, I can't leave it like that. I'm a perfectionist. Yeah. Okay, perfect. That's it. Let's remove this. I can see some dust there. No, not dust on the lens, just dust on the lens. Yeah. So now this camera is ready for the next adventure. It's so old, I don't know how. From the 70s? Yeah, perfect. So, oh, should I clean the viewfinder? Perfectionist. No, I will leave it like that. You can't really see it. So, next content is coming in the next days. See you.